Hello and welcome to this program on artificial intelligence and machine learning offered through FirstUniv by Shoolini University in collaboration with IBM. My name is Ashish Khosla and I am President Innovation and Director of the Yogananda School of Artificial Intelligence at Shoolini University. There are amongst the most sought after specializations in the industry today, and this is the best time to get a sound footing in this area. Over 70% of all organizations are expected to use AI in the next 3 years. And this will ensure millions of jobs in artificial intelligence and machine learning. This course is designed in a way to make it exciting for you. Our program will equip you with the skill sets to be a successful ML and AI professional and succeed in the new economy. You will learn Python, TensorFlow, Keras, understand and design applications using supervised and unsupervised learning techniques, as well as learn computer vision, deep learning, NLP, and other cutting-edge technologies. Importantly, you will work on real industry projects and even try to develop your own patentable app. I look forward to seeing you in our program soon and jumpstarting you on your journey to be a successful AI and ML professional. All the best.